Hello everyone, and welcome to Mr. English Mastery. Today, we're going to learn something super practical.
Hi everyone, I'm Iqra, and I'm so excited about today's lesson.
And I'm Ali. Today, we're going to master daily routine vocabulary in English.
From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep.
Every single activity you do every day will teach you how to say it in English.
This is so useful because you use these words and phrases every single day.
When someone asks, "What did you do today?" you'll know exactly what to say.
Or when you want to describe your schedule, your morning routine, your evening activities.
So before we start our day in English, please subscribe to Mr. English Mastery.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell.
Give this video a thumbs up because today you're going to learn over 50 daily routine phrases.
That's right, 50 plus phrases. Let's start.
Okay, Iqra, what time should we start?
Let's start at the beginning, morning time.
Okay, everyone, imagine it's 6 a.m. Your alarm clock rings. What's the first thing you do?
I wake up.
Perfect. I wake up. That's our first phrase. Let's say it together. I wake up.
In English, we say wake up, not just wake. The up is important.
Right. So I wake up at 6 a.m. Or I wake up early. Or I wake up late.
Okay, so you wake up. What's next?
I turn off my alarm.
Turn off the alarm. Good phrase. The opposite is turn on.
Exactly. Then what do you do?
I get out of bed.
Get out of bed. Perfect. Not just leave the bed. We say get out of bed.
Some people hit the snooze button first.
I snooze my alarm sometimes.
Okay, so you're out of bed. What's next in your morning routine?
I stretch. I stretch my arms and legs.
Stretch. Good for your body. Then?
I go to the bathroom.
In the bathroom, you do many things. What do you do first?
First, I use the toilet. Then I wash my hands.
Wash my hands. Important. What else?
I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. We use brush as a verb. Everyone say, I brush my teeth.
After brushing teeth, I wash my face.
Wash my face with soap and water. Then?
Some people take a shower in the morning.
Take a shower in American English. In British English, they say have a shower.
Both are correct. I take a shower or I have a shower.
What about baths?
You can also take a bath. That's in a bathtub with lots of water.
Showers are faster, baths are more relaxing.
After the shower, I dry myself with a towel.
Dry myself, good phrase. Then what?
I comb my hair or I brush my hair.
Comb with a comb, brush with a brush.
Some people blow dry their hair.
Blow dry my hair with a hairdryer. Okay, bathroom routine is done. What's next?
Time to get dressed.
Get dressed. That means put on your clothes.
You can say, I get dressed or I put on my clothes.
What do you wear?
I put on a shirt. I put on pants. I put on socks.
Put on. That's the phrase for wearing clothes.
And don't forget, I put on my shoes.
Perfect. Now you're clean and dressed. Time for breakfast?
Yes, I go to the kitchen.
What do you do in the kitchen?
I make breakfast or I prepare breakfast.
Make breakfast or prepare breakfast. Both good.
What do you usually eat?
I have coffee and toast, or I have cereal, or I have eggs.
Notice we say have for eating and drinking. I have coffee means I drink coffee.
Right. Some people say eat breakfast. That's also correct.
After eating, I clear the table.
Clear the table. That means remove the dishes.
Or you can say, I clean up or I do the dishes.
Do the dishes. Wash the plates and cups.
Okay, so now it's about 8 a.m. Morning routine is complete.
Okay, Ali, breakfast is done. Now what?
Now it's time to leave the house.
But first, you need to prepare.
Right. First, I pack my bag.
Pack my bag. Put your things in your backpack or bag.
I put in my laptop, my notebook, my phone charger.
Don't forget your keys.
Good point. I grab my keys and my wallet.
Grab means take quickly. I grab my keys.
Then I put on my jacket or coat.
If it's cold, what if it's raining?
Then I take an umbrella.
Take an umbrella. Don't forget it.
Okay, I'm ready. Time to leave.
How do you leave?
I open the door, I go out, I close the door, I lock the door.
Lock the door. Very important for security.
Now you're outside. How do you get to work or school?
Good question. Some people drive.
If you drive, you say, I drive to work or I drive to school.
You can also say, I take my car.
What if you don't have a car?
Then you take public transportation.
You can say, I take the bus, I take the train, I take the subway, I take a taxi.
Or, in some cities, I take an Uber.
Yes, modern transportation.
Some people walk.
I walk to work. Good exercise.
Or I ride my bike.
I ride my bike or cycle to work.
During the commute, what do you do?
I listen to music.
Listen to music on your phone or headphones.
Or I listen to podcasts, maybe MrEnglishMasteri podcast.
Haha, good idea. What else?
Some people read the news.
Read the news on your phone.
Or I check my phone. Or I check my messages.
And finally, you arrive.
I arrive at work, or I arrive at school, or I get to work.
Perfect. Now the work or school day begins.
Okay, so you've arrived at work or school. What happens now?
First, I greet my colleagues or classmates.
Greet my colleagues, say hello to coworkers.
Then, you start your work or classes.
Let's talk about work first. What do you do at work?
I check my emails.
Check my emails. Very common phrase.
I attend meetings.
Attend meetings or go to meetings. In meetings, you discuss projects.
Discuss projects. Talk about your work.
You can also say, I have a meeting or I'm in a meeting.
What else happens at work?
I make phone calls.
Make phone calls. Talk to clients or customers.
I work on my computer.
Work on my computer. Typing, creating documents.
You write reports.
Write reports. Create documents about your work.
You collaborate with your team.
Collaborate. Work together.
Around noon, what happens?
Lunchtime.
It's lunchtime or time for lunch.
What do you do for lunch?
I take a lunch break.
Take a lunch break. Stop working to eat.
Some people eat in the office.
I eat at my desk. Eat while working.
Or you go out for lunch.
Go out for lunch. Eat at a restaurant.
Or you bring lunch from home.
Bring lunch from home, like a lunchbox.
After eating, you go back to work.
Go back to work or return to work.
The afternoon continues.
You finish your tasks.
Finish my tasks. Complete your work.
You meet deadlines.
Meet deadlines. Complete work on time. And finally, the workday ends.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Finish work or get off work or clock out.
Then it's time to go home.
Okay, Ali, work is over. What do you do in the evening?
First, I commute home. Same as the morning, but in reverse.
You take the bus, drive, or walk home.
When I get home, what's the first thing I do?
You might take off your shoes.
Take off my shoes, the opposite of put on.
You hang up your coat.
Hang up my coat, put it on a hook or hanger.
Then you might change your clothes.
Change my clothes, put on comfortable clothes.
Many people change into casual wear or pajamas.
Change into casual clothes, more comfortable.
What's next in the evening?
Time to relax a bit.
How do you relax?
I sit down on the sofa.
Sit down and rest.
I watch TV.
Watch TV, very common evening activity.
Or I browse social media.
Browse social media. Check Instagram, Facebook, TikTok.
Or I scroll through my phone.
Scroll through my phone, modern phrase.
But soon, it's time for dinner.
Ah, yes, dinner time. What do you do?
I cook dinner or I make dinner.
Cook dinner or make dinner. Both are good.
Or sometimes I order food.
Order food from a restaurant, delivery. You can say, I order pizza or I order takeout.
Takeout, food from a restaurant to take home.
What if someone else cooks? Then you say, my wife cooks dinner or my husband cooks dinner.
After cooking, you set the table.
Set the table. Put plates, forks, knives on the table.
Then you eat dinner or have dinner.
Eat dinner or have dinner. Both correct.
Some families eat together.
Eat together. Eat as a family.
After dinner, someone has to clean up.
You clear the table.
Clear the table, remove the dishes.
You wash the dishes or do the dishes.
Wash the dishes or do the dishes, same meaning.
Or you load the dishwasher.
Load the dishwasher, put dirty dishes in the machine.
Modern life. What happens after dinner?
More free time.
What do people do?
Some people go for a walk.
Go for a walk. Good for digestion.
Or they exercise.
I exercise or I work out.
Some people have hobbies.
I read a book or I play video games or I practice guitar.
Or you spend time with family.
Spend time with family. Talk, play, enjoy together.
Unite, call a friend.
Call a friend. On the phone.
Or video chat with someone.
Video chat like Zoom, Skype, WhatsApp video.
Okay, Iqra, it's getting late. Time for the night routine.
Yes, this is the bedtime routine. Around 9 or 10 p.m., you start getting ready for bed.
What's the first step?
Some people take a shower at night.
Take a shower to feel clean before bed.
Then you brush your teeth again.
Brush my teeth. Very important, morning and night.
You might floss your teeth too.
Floss my teeth. Clean between teeth.
You wash your face.
Wash my face. Remove makeup, clean skin.
Some people have a skincare routine.
Skincare routine. Apply cream, moisturizer.
Then you put on your pajamas.
Put on pajamas or change into pajamas.
Pajamas, sleeping clothes.
What do you do before sleeping?
Some people read before bed.
Read before bed, maybe a book, maybe on your phone.
Or they listen to calm music.
Listen to calm music, relaxing.
Some people meditate.
Meditate, relax your mind.
Or you journal.
Journal, write in a diary about your day.
You might set your alarm for tomorrow.
Set my alarm so you wake up on time.
You check your phone one last time.
Check my phone, read messages, check social media.
But be careful. Too much screen time before bed is bad.
True, blue light affects sleep.
Okay, you're ready. What's next?
You turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights. Make the room dark.
You get into bed.
Get into bed. Climb into bed.
You pull up the covers.
Pull up the covers, blankets, and sheets.
You might say goodnight to your family.
Say goodnight. Good night, sleep well.
And finally, you fall asleep.
Or you can say, I go to sleep. Or I drift off to sleep.
Drift off to sleep. Slowly fall asleep.
And that's the end of the day.
Tomorrow, the routine starts again.
Ali, let's teach some useful time phrases for daily routines.
Great idea. These help you describe when you do things.
First, parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night.
Notice in for morning, afternoon, evening, but at for night.
Also, you can say first thing in the morning, immediately after waking, late at night, very late. Early in the morning, very early.
Now, frequency words. Every day, daily. Usually, most of the time. Sometimes, occasionally. Rarely, not often. Never, not at all.
Examples: I usually wake up at 7 a.m. or I sometimes skip breakfast.
More time expressions. Before work, after work, during lunch, on weekdays, on weekends.
On weekdays, I wake up early. On weekends, I sleep in.
Sleep in. Wake up late.
Here's how to describe routine order. First, then, next, after that, finally, lastly.
Example. First, I wake up. Then, I brush my teeth. After that, I have breakfast. Finally, I leave for work.
Perfect structure for describing your day.
One more important phrase. I'm used to.
What does that mean?
It means something is normal for you, part of your routine. I'm used to waking up early.
I'm used to drinking coffee every morning.
Great. These phrases make your English sound natural.
Wow, Iqra, we covered a complete day in English.
From morning to night, over 50 phrases.
Let's do a quick summary. Morning routine. Wake up, get out of bed, brush your teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast.
Commute. Leave the house, take the bus, drive, walk, arrive at work.
Work school day. Check emails, attend meetings, take a lunch break, finish work.
Evening routine. Get home, change clothes, cook dinner, eat dinner, relax or watch TV.
Night routine. Brush teeth, put on pajamas, set alarm, get into bed, fall asleep.
And remember the time phrases and frequency words.
Now you can describe your entire day in English.
This was such a practical lesson, Ellie.
I know, everyone uses these phrases every single day.
Okay, everyone, here's your challenge.
Describe your day in the comments. Use at least 5 phrases we taught today.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I drive to work. I check my emails.
Share your daily routine with us.
We'll read every comment.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Mastery if you haven't already.
We post daily English lessons that are practical and useful.
Hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
Give this video a huge thumbs up if you learned something today.
And share it with your friends, classmates, or family learning English.
Thank you so much for spending your day with us learning English.
Remember, practice these phrases every day and English will become natural.
Both. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.
Good luck with your daily routine.
Practice makes perfect.